Let me tie my shoes right quick. Yeah, same level. No, we won't do that. Yeah.
She say I'ma meet you at the disco, leaving Y and meet in San Francisco. Meet oh my, it's got to be official. Ain't nobody ever really do it like this though. Ow, crack the red vino, yellow cabin, a black tuxedo, brown cognac, purple tree amigo, orange you mean and green with envy though. Hey, that's true and to be honest, what I do is never modest. I assume I'm an Adonis, I'm assuming she the hottest, I'm assuming she ain't got us, I'm assuming we ain't moving to a room with the Ramada. Got a moonlight view on the balcony sun. I'm a player in the game that's about to be won. Grab a champagne glass and a bottle of scotch. Let's take this party up a notch. Come on, take it up a notch. Raise the bar, take it up a notch.
Come on.
Let's take this party up a notch.
Hey,
come on, come on.
Got some money in the bank, got some gas in the car. I got some bottles in the back where the passengers are. I pull up to the party, make a dash to the bars. And hit me with your best shot like Pat Benatar. Move back, then I start making my way to the floor. Leave all your inhibitions and your hate at the door. It's settled what we debating it for. I got a bottle of Don Julio I've been waiting to pour. So fill your cup, throw it back, hit you straight to the core. And when I see my cup empty, I'll be craving some more. The DJ's not mixing, he's creating a score. He's got the ladies on their feet like the race for the cure. They on the tables and floor, shaking what their mama gave them. If you got them, please smoke them. I'm about to trying to save around 3 a.m. when I look at the watch. Let's take this party up a notch.
Party people,
Come on, take it up a notch.
out in the city. Hey,
Raise the bar,
come on,
take it up a notch.
we ain't got nothing else
Let's
to do.
take this
But take it
party up a notch.
Huh,
Come on,
huh,
come on.
huh. Hey,
Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Come on, shake. Come on, girl, shake. Shake. Come on, girl, shake.
Bring it down a notch. 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 Now take it up a notch. Hey, come on.
Take it up a notch. Raise the bar. Take it up a notch. Let's take this party up a notch. Come on. Take it up a notch. Take it up a notch. Take it up another notch. And another notch. And another notch. Take it up, take it, take it up, and another notch. Turn it up a notch. And another
Take it up a notch.
The dance called Lack Of Afro, 32 counts for wall easy intermediate, and there is a tag of 16 counts happens at the end of wall 7, starts at 9 o'clock and then ends at 6 o'clock to restart the new wall. Now the dance. First section, weight on your left, start with your right. Kick, cross, side, rock, kick, cross, side, rock, cross, side, heel swivel. Heel, toe, heel to the left. Next section, heel swivel to right, heel, toe. Turn 1/4, hitch, figure 4, cha-cha-cha. Forward half, turn back half, forward half. Third section, side rock, cross, rock, quarter. Out, out, in, in. Last section, left coaster. Walk 1/8, turn 1/8, now facing 3 o'clock. Chuck 4 times. Chuck the first time, no turn, and then chuck 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, back to 3 o'clock. This is the whole dance. Now the count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 7, and 8, and. There is a tag of 16 counts happens at the end of wall 7, facing 9 o'clock. First section, load your body. behind, point, behind, point, behind, point, behind, point, 4 times. The second section, walk, walk, kick out, out. Chuck 4 times for 3/4. Chuck 1 time, 1/4. Chuck another quarter. And then the next 2, 1/8, 1/8. Now facing 6 o'clock to restart the new wall. Let's try the music.
Let me tie my shoes right quick.